Hello, everybody. My name is Víctor Rey. I am the Director of Institutional Relations in Segitur, the State Mercantile Society for Innovation Management and Tourism Technologies, company attached to the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism of Spain. I would like to thank the organization for inviting Segitur to be here. I was told to do the session in English, so I apologize if I make any mistake during the session. Welcome to this second session named Data Privacy and Commercialization in Cities. We're here with 5 exciting speakers in these subjects that I'm delighted to welcome to the stage. Privacy is a key issue. Data are also key for smart cities management. We are in a data revolution, but cities have to decide what to do with all the data they generate. Cities cannot deliver all this data indiscriminately to private companies because cities could become malls. This also brings many challenges and concerns. So where's the limit? What kind of cities do we want to have? What society do we want to be? There are some of the topics that we're going to discuss here with these experts. Let me first introduce each one before they speak. They have around 10-12 minutes for their interventions, after which we will have plenty of time for discussion and questions.